Ever pondered about the significance of the CSIR Net Life Science examination in India? This competitive test, conducted by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, is a stepping stone for aspiring life science researchers and lecturers. It covers a wide range of topics from cell biology and biochemistry to genetics and ecology. The prerequisite? A postgraduate degree in life sciences or a related field. The examination is designed in 3 parts. Part A tests general aptitude, Part B gauges scientific concepts and analytical skills, while Part C delves deep into specific life science topics. Cracking CSIR Net Life Science can unlock doors to research fellowships, teaching positions, and the opportunity to significantly contribute to the world of science. Preparing for this examination is no small feat. It requires not just a thorough understanding of biological concepts, but also the ability to apply these ideas to solve complex problems. Candidates rely on a combination of study materials, reference books, and online resources to sharpen their knowledge and stay abreast of recent developments in the field. To sum it up, the CSIR Net Life Science examination is much more than a test of academic knowledge. It is a gateway for those with a fervor for life sciences, offering a platform to contribute meaningfully to the scientific advancements of our time in